How to use Pinterest. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Pinterest application on a device, and so let's just launch the Pinterest application and make sure that you have logged into your account. So as you're logged into your account, you'll be able to see the different categories of pictures, videos, and different other ways to use Pinterest. So here, this is the home button. So you can see For You page, you can see all the boards that you have created. So if you want to create any sort of board, you can simply tap on the plus icon over here, and let's tap on the plus icon, and you can create your pins as well. You can create collages and boards. So if you want to create or upload something on Pinterest, you can simply tap on the pin option, and you can simply select on the camera icon directly at the bottom left corner of the screen and click a picture and just post it on Pinterest. You can also click any videos and post it on the Pinterest application. So let's go back to the main page of Pinterest over here. So here, if you tap on this magnifying glass, which is the explore page option, so you can search for ideas over here. So let me tap on the search for ideas and let me search for DIY. So as you search for it, you'll be able to see the different options available over here. You can see the different options from different parts of the world, so you can see and check them out. Next is we have DM section at the right side of the screen, so you can just see all the inboxes and you can connect to start chatting as well. Next we have is our profile at the bottom right corner, where you can see all the pins, boards, collages, and everything that you have saved and liked. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.